Hi, today is the fifth day of communication skill enhancement practice. We all know that we badly need to improve our communication skills, and we have to improve our communication skill in English language, because we have to, if we have to speak something to some other country peoples, maybe some peoples of other regions who do not know Hindi, we badly need English. So, English is not our native language. We do not talk English too often in our day to day life. So, what to do to feed the language in our subconscious mind? To feed the language in our subconscious mind, what I have learned from different mentors is that 10-minute daily video making of English. 10-minute video making in English will help you to create thoughts in subconscious mind, and that will help a lot if we do day by day. That I am doing live. And next is what I've learned is half an hour daily listening, because reading, but even speaking, we are using our mouth and brain. When we listening, when speaking also our ear is using, but when we listening our ear and brain. And same thing, half an hour reading will help us, and 10-minute practicing. Then we can form a group. We can form a group to discuss with people. We can form groups to discuss with people who also want to improve his communication skills. What I got a app is Talk Now app. I have not still used that app, but I have got that app. That Talk Now app, you can get too much people, so that you can discuss in English with people and improve our communication skills and improve our English speaking skills. This video is intentionally made for improving English speaking skills, and at the same time communication skills. Communication skills can be in other language, but this video is intended for communication in English speaking. We have to improve our English speaking skills, we have to improve our communication skills. As I told you earlier, that if we have to improve our communication skills, if we have to influence people, we have to connect through them through stories. We can easily, there are various reasons that people can easily connect with people to their own stories, their own struggle, how they come out of the problem. There is a problem, of their life, in their life, and they are struggling. Then they have done different problem solving approach, and after different problem solving approach, some problem solving approach click for him, and the person goes out of the problem and get himself in a flow state. The flow state means where our subconscious mind is helping us to what we want to do, like driving a car, driving a bike. Our subconscious mind, when we practice, our subconscious mind helping us to do everything. We do not need to do everything consciously, but at the starting period we have to do the clutching, we have to do all the gear changing, we have to consciously do it. Sometimes at the changing of gear there may be some difficulties, bike may or car may stop, it mess up, it do some difficult sounds which make us fear. The same situation in communication. In communication skill and English speaking skill, both different skills, it is not the same skill, both different skill, there will be problem. There will be problem of changing gears. There is a problem of switching out from a different language to English language. There will be a problem of not speaking in a informal way to a formal way. There will be a problem that maybe some uneven sounds like bike and cars. But that sounds, you should not stop listening that sounds. That sounds maybe people's laughing at you. That sounds maybe people do not like you. That sounds maybe people mock at you. But that sounds is proof that you are trying to change yourself. You are trying to learn new thing. When learning new thing, there will be difficult stages. But after that difficult stages, 100% I am 100% sure, and there will be a time when it will come a flow state. A flow state. To reach that flow state, we have to immerse down. What means immerse down? The story which I have learned, I have listened from different mentors, that when Socrates is a great mentor, when he is between the river, he is in the river and getting bath, his disciple has asked him that how can I get what I want to get? If I want to get something, if I want to learn something, how to achieve it faster? Then Socrates asked the disciple to come into river to close to him, and when the disciple close to him, he just drown him into the water, and the just disciple is get disturbed to get the take breath and just come out. Then after that the disciple come out from water and just, what is happening? Why you are doing this? Then Socrates said that you have to, this is the learning you have. When you are in water, you are so intense, you have so just got so feeling so, I do not getting the recalling the word, but at the stage you want just to get out from the water and get the breath. And the same thing, the true learning is we have to emerge in that if you have to communicate, you have to improve communication skill, we have to immerse ourselves in the communication in the English language. We have to leave other things and immerse ourselves in the communication skills. We have to, as I told earlier, we have to listen half an hour English communication from a good mentors. We have to making videos like me, what I am doing, to inspire people, to motivate you, so that every day we can anybody will watch this video, just go on making videos and practice that. And writing, do not if you are not able to writing, just write in Facebook to someone, not high, making 3 to 4 sentences. In Instagram, if you are to share something, a photo, just write what you feel in 3 to 4 sentences. When you are what I've learned just recently, that when you're talking to various time, we have to talk with helpline numbers, like some different for different products, for different services, we have to talk in helpline numbers. We have to, they are asking for different languages, and this is my habit also. Our habit is just go to our native language, but at that moment don't go to native language, select English and talk with him, because they will not mock at you, because you cannot see him and you will not at a side stage. So try to select the English language in helpline number. See some watching, half an hour watching English interviews, English something, some 2-3 people are discussing English. You can watch that videos, watch that on TV, on video, or YouTube. You can just close your eyes and listen half an hour English, because we have to immerse ourselves in that learning. Immersing will make you faster learning. When you immerse something, we immerse ourselves in something, our subconscious mind will react fast and it stored fast the thing we want, and it gives definitely result. And one thing what I have learned will share you tomorrow, so keep watching my videos and do subscribe my channel if you want to improve your communication skills. Thanks for watching.